Hi children, welcome to Luminary Academy, and today we are again solving one of the questions which is based on functions. So let's see how these past paper questions are very important for the examination and how we can attempt this during the exam. So what are the concept behind this? Let's see. So here if you see that hx function is given to you and that is 3 to the power x minus 2. Now here we need to find the value of hh2. hh2 means in the function h we need to first put 2 here and here. So I'll write it as h2 will be equals to 2 minus 2, and 2 minus 2 will be 0, and any number with the power 0 is always 1. So this was the concept. Now here 1 is the answer for h2 equal to 1. Now this value again I need to put in h function. So that means this value I need to put again here and in this function. So not this function, like in this function. So here this will become h2 is equals to 3 to the power 1 minus 2. Why I put 1? Because this I already solved and the answer of this was 1. So now I put 1 to get this whole answer. That means this answer. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So 3 to the power minus 1 is 1 upon 3 to the power 1. So this is your answer. Very simple. Now find x when h inverse of x is equals to 10. One of the most important and asked questions in igcse. अब आपको यहाँ करना क्या होता है? तो सबसे पहले आप h inverse देखोगे तब आप h inverse को इस तरफ सेंड कर सकते हो, which is the easy trick. So x will be equals to h of 10. Right children? So अब यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, इस h of 10 को हम क्या करेंगे, h of 10 जो है, ये h of 10 जो है हम h के अंदर 10 पुट करेंगे. दैट मीन्स हम यहाँ पर इस फंक्शन के x में 10 पुट करेंगे. सो h of 10 is equals to 3 to the power 10 minus 2. Now 3 to the power 10 minus 2 is 8. So that means this function will become 3 to the power 8. Very easy. Now h of 10 will be 3 to the power 8. Now you know that h of 10 is equals to what? X. H of 10 is equals to x. So in the place of h of 10, I'll write x is equals to 3 to the power 8. Now 3 to the power 8. This is the important one which you need to use which you need to solve using the calculator. So here, if I use the calculator, you need to use scientific calculator always, children. Otherwise, you will not be able to solve properly because scientific calculator are allowed in Cambridge. So the answer is 6561. So this is your answer for this question. I hope you like the question and the most important part, how to solve the question which are based on functions. So thank you and keep watching.